Hey everyone, and welcome to another unboxing video. My name is Thomas, and today we're going to be unboxing the Mavic 2 Enterprise Advanced. So let's have a look at all the pieces that you get in this amazing new bundle. The Mavic 2 Enterprise Advanced always comes in this nice hard case here, which is shockproof and waterproof, and you can actually even put a padlock through it for your own security. So it's a really great way to transport this amazing new drone around. So you take this bit of foam out, and then you will be able to take the drone itself out very carefully. And there it is. Look at that amazing dual thermal and POV camera. Remarkable. Very, very cool. Now the Mavic 2 Enterprise Advanced always comes with a smart controller, because at this point in time that is the only way you can control it. It cannot be controlled with the traditional Mavic 2 controller. Really, really cool though. The smart controllers are fantastic. We've got our instruction booklets, of course. Always good to read through those and understand the gear that you purchased. This is our charger just here. Now this of course goes onto the battery, which can come out of the drone, so that goes straight on there. And that's the other half of it there. So that's your AC cable, so that plugs in there onto your charger. Now this is interesting. A lot of people sometimes will use this Type-C USB cable to charge their smart controller from the USB port just here on the main charger, but actually that will take several hours longer than if you use the dedicated AC USB charger here. That will fast charge your smart controller in about half the time. So whenever you're charging your smart controller, always use this bad boy here with the Type-C cable. That's our spare cover for the module attachments that the Mavic 2 Enterprise Advanced has. We've got some spare joysticks for the smart controller. You also get two that are found underneath the aerials, of course, but you get a spare pair as well, just in case you happen to misplace them. So we've got our three modules, of course. We've got the speaker system, we've got the headlamp, and the aircraft beacon. Now, to those of you who are wanting to get the RTK module, that is available for purchase separately. And finally, we've got our propellers. Now you get 6 propellers or 3 pairs, so you get a full set for your drone and a spare pair of both clockwise and counterclockwise propellers. That's basically it, guys. This is a really great box. I should quickly add is, if you were to purchase the Flymore kit and get additional batteries, the maximum number of batteries you can actually fit in this box is 1, 2, 3 underneath there, 4, 5, 6, and 1 in the drone, so 7 in total, which is fantastic. It's a really great way to transport the drone around. Well, that's our first look at all the pieces that you get in this cool combo, guys. If you'd like to order one, we have these ready and available at all of our stores around Australia. If you'd like to find out more about the drone, you can email enterprise@d1store.com.au. These are also available for purchase from our online store. And we do free shipping on orders over $99, so there will be no freight charge on top of that as well. Well, thanks for tuning in, guys. We'll see you at the next unboxing video.